Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Find My app and going straight to Items. This is where iOS flags an unknown AirPod or accessory moving with you. Once you tap Items, scan the list until you find the device showing the Moving With You alert, then tap that device to view details. You do this because the app needs to confirm which accessory triggered the alert. Making that selection exposes the device controls that let you silence, locate, or address the alert immediately. Now inspect the item details so you know why it flagged you. Tap Learn about this item to see any owner information and serial details. If you want to confirm it's nearby, use Play Sound or Get Directions. These help you physically find the accessory. Once you've confirmed it's not yours, choose Disable Alerts or remove this item to stop future Moving With You notifications. This ends the alert and prevents repeat notifications from that specific accessory moving with you. To finish, make a broader change. Open Find My, tap Me, then Item Safety Alerts and toggle off Moving With You notifications if you want fewer interruptions. This stops system-level alerts but reduces protection. If you feel followed, report the device to local authorities and provide the device details. Law enforcement can act on tracking concerns. If alerts persist despite removing the item, restart your phone and install the latest iOS update. These steps clear cached data and resolve most stubborn notification bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.